Whenever we talk about trekking in Garhwal Himalayas, Kalindi Khal Trek is one of the most famous and most challenging trek in India. Kalindi Pass, which is located at an altitude of 5947 meter above the sea level, a trek that takes you halfway around Garhwal from the Bhagirathi Valley to Alaknanda Valley. A tour that gives a thrill to even the most seasoned of climbers. The trek starts from Gangotri and takes you through the Gangotri Glacier to Nandanvan, the base of the Bhagirathi Peaks, a place that offers an unparalleled view of the Shivling Peak. The trail moves along the Chaturangi Glacier to Vasuki Tal, with towering peaks all around the lake. Its surface shimmers like a pearl and is the source of the Vasuki Ganga that drains into the Mandakini. As we proceed to cross the Kalindi Khal Pass, we experience many majestic settings of snow peaks in Garhwal, Himalayas, Mount Kamet, Mount Satopant, Vasuki Parvat, and many others. After crossing Kalindi Khal, the trail then descends to Arwatal and then to Mana, the last village of India. The trek fittingly ends at Badrinath with a visit to the holy temple. This trek is of 15 nights and 16 days from Haridwar to Haridwar or Rishikesh to Rishikesh. Maximum altitude is 5947 meter. The requisite group size is at least 8 packs and all meals will be included in our package which is called AP plan. And if we talk about the itinerary of this trek, the day one is reporting at Rishikesh, drive to Gangotri, which is a 10 to 12 hours drive. Day 2 is acclimatization in Gangotri. Day 3, Gangotri to Chidbasa, which is a trek of 3 to 4 hours. Day 4, Chidbasa to Gomukh. Day 5, rest day at Gomukh, then trek to Tapovan and come back to Gomukh. Day 6, Gomukh to Nandanvan. Day 7, Nandanvan to Vasuki Tal. Day 8, rest day at Vasuki Tal. Day 9, Vasuki Tal to Khada Pathar. Day 10, Khada Pathar to Shweta Glacier. Day 11, Shweta Glacier to base of Kalindi. Day 12, base of Kalindi. Kalindi Pass, then Rai Parav. Day 13, Rai Parav to Arwatal. Day 14, Arwatal to Ghastoli. Day 15, Ghastoli to Badrinath. And day 16, Badrinath to Haridwar. So the cost of this trek varies from group size. Basically, it is if there are 8 to 10 packs, the cost is 1,28,000 rupees. If the group is of 11 to 15, then 1,08,000, and if group is of 16 to 20, 98,000 rupees. The cost includes the accommodation on twin sharing basis on AP basis and all the transportation from Haridwar to Haridwar, your experienced guides on the trek. This cost excludes the government service taxes as applicable, travel to and from Haridwar, charges for personal porters hired over and above the porters, any kind of insurance such as accident, theft, medical evacuation, etc. Tips to the camping staff, porter and guide. Any extra cost incurred due extension, change of itinerary due to natural calamities, flight delays, roadblocks, vehicle breakdown, etc. This trek involves walking to 5 to 7 hours daily. Previous walking experience will be helpful. Minimum age 18 years. Accommodation in remote places Gangotri to Badrinath in small, neat and clean guest houses or hotels on twin sharing basis. On the treks, accommodation will be in small, good quality camping tents on twin sharing basis. All the food, all the meals will be included for 15 days and 16 nights. Uh, if we talk about the altitude chart, the maximum altitude is 5947 meter above the sea level, and this trek connects Gangotri to Badrinath, and the best time to do this trek is May, June and September. So if you want to do this most challenging trek in India, you can contact us. Our trekking company has been organizing this trek from last 20 years, and we are renowned in this expedition. So contact us. Our email and contact number is given in the description box. Thank you.